Hello, hello, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Rose. Let's kill today. Yeah, let's try to do this. Hello, guys. Hello, hello. About disclaimer. Actually, I showed disclaimer yesterday. Yeah, I'm going to show this again. Thank you for reminding me about a disclaimer. Okay, as we can see, in Q already run equilibrium, not in Q, ES already run equilibrium of previous week range. In Q is about to take this level too close to Friday high. Prefer to see Friday high taken on both ES and NQ because lines bottom of this daily fair value gap lines up with this Friday high. So kind of like it. It's not only daily fair value gap, it's BPR. So let's see if we can push slightly higher. Maybe not slightly higher, maybe it's going to be just run higher today. Would like to keep my eyes on Friday high. Too close to this level on ES. If NQ wants to reach Friday high, I believe we may go to this liquidity level. But once again, not going to predict right now. Just let's see how we react from Friday high. See, bottom of this fair value gap lines obvious Friday high. Well, we will see. We will see. Today is kind of cold in Florida. It's not like kind of, it's very cold today. Currently, we are like 120 points away from Friday high. Hello. Okay, let's highlight this projection leg. I'd like to keep my eyes at least on the range between 2 and 2.5 right here. Oh, interesting. Lines up with this major. It's old London high. It was last last week, exactly 1 week ago. Major buy side liquidity on my chart. Also can be equal highs right here. And this retracement, potential retracement range lines up with this old London high and major buy side liquidity level. Okay. Like this. Okay, we are going to call this retracement. And let's extend it. We will see. So as we can see, NQ around this equilibrium of previous week range, absolutely amazing. We got move above equilibrium of this leg right here, weekly, from here. From here to this low. So basically equilibrium of previous week range. We entered premium finally. So this pink box is going to be potential retracement today once we can reach high time frame level. High time frame level at this moment looks like it's going to be Friday high. So this box is going to move with me. This means if market wants to go in higher, this box is also wants to go higher. This box is the range between 20 and 30% of current weekly range. I'm not going to remove this box for today. Usually I keep this box on Thursday and on Friday. Actually, last night I was in short trade. I shorted from 7.12 and my target was this low, but I closed partial at 7.42 and then, no, 6.42, and then it stopped me at break even with my runner. So then it ran to my final target. Unfortunately, yes, unfortunately, we already moved a lot today, this night. It was actually our plan to sweep this low and continue going higher, the equilibrium of previous week range. But actually, I have no idea what I want to trade today. Right now, it's extremely bullish, so it's hard for me to say I would like to look for a reversal because not really yet. You should drive. Okay, safe drive then. North Carolina, my favorite state, by the way. One of the best. One of the best. That means it's actually TGIT, exactly the same idea with TGIF, but in my opinion, most of the time in QNES, each is weekly target, weekly objective on Thursday. And I can anticipate exactly the same retracement to 20% of weekly range, but on Thursday. If you want to backtest this, you will notice that TGIT happens much more often than TGIF. I would like to be bullish at this moment, so actually we are bullish. We just run equilibrium of previous week range, so maybe I would like to see Friday high taken. Also, we have daily BPR right above this Friday high. So kind of hard to be bearish on high time frame because it's we are bullish. But for retracement, yes, my retracement level is going to be this pin box right here, which is TGIT levels 20-30% range. So it may continue going higher, for example, at the open, somewhere right here. And since this is daily PDRA, maybe I would like to wait for 15-minute order block to short. 15-minute order block actually can be maybe too much. But still. No signs of reversal yet, so kind of hard to look for reversal right now. But once again, everything can change. I'm going to keep my eyes if it wants to reverse at this pink box. Once again, this box is going to move with us. If market wants to go higher, this box also will go higher. I got it. Both ES and Q stuck at this equilibrium right now. Cannot say this is point of reversal right now, obviously. But obviously barrier right here. Just interesting what market wants to do at the open. It wants to retrace to previous day high level, but failed to take this range. Basically RTH retest and then continue going higher. For example, to Friday high. Definitely yes, much closer to this Friday high than NQ. This means if, for example, NQ wants to take Friday high, which also can be 21K institutional level, most likely ES is going to break above a daily fair value gap. We will see. So at this moment, kind of hard for me to say exactly what market wants to do at the open. I didn't mind yesterday to sweep this low. Actually, it was my final target on my short. But I did not expect to get this move up, exactly what we anticipated to get before market open. So exactly right. This pink boxes, I can actually change the color if it if you hate this color. But this is 20-30% range of current weekly range from low to high, current high right here. This red line is high. This red line right here is low. So you can measure from low to high, from high to low. It's up to you, and just not actually up to you. You want to measure from here to here, and 20% is going to be here. You don't need to have indicators. Actually, you can just measure from here to here. I have template for this. It calls TGIF, and here we go, 20-30%. Here are the settings. Boom and boom. Here's the settings if you want to just use 50 tracement tool. Or I can share this indicator with you guys. You can just load this indicator. I guess nothing wrong with this. Do you need this indicator, guys? I can actually share with you. If you want, of course. Yes? Okay, give me 1 second. Cannot load any indicators. Something wrong with my internet? Or what? Okay, give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to share with you. Then here we go. Here's indicator. Try, guys, and let me know if it works for you. Just save this to share the link. Let me know if it works for you. What is your bias for the day? Honestly, I'm bullish right now. Because we have strong bullish trend on high time frame, we are extremely bullish. We got break of structure to upside on daily, on 4-hour chart. You can see this easily. Then we got retracement back down to discount. Discount OB, then reaction from that level all the way up. So I would like to be bullish, and obviously at this moment I would like to see an attempt to run new high, or at least the premium level. It works. Thank you for letting me know. Okay. So this box is going to be for TGIF and for TGIT, but I use this for TGIT only because most of the time we see weekly objective reached on Thursday, then we expect to get retracement back to 20%. Maybe you will notice if you want to backtest this, 25% most of the time reach, not 30%. I can actually adjust this, but you can just aim for 20%. I'm not going to say like we cannot retrace right at the open to this level. Totally possible. But it doesn't mean, for example, if you got TGIT level, for example, we got the test of 20% right at the open, it doesn't mean like we cannot create a new high. it doesn't mean this. So we still can go higher. But this 20%, 20-30% range can be possible point of reversal. What platform do you use to place the trades? For these streams on YouTube, I use TapStepX, but normally I execute on my funded accounts with Apex. I use Rhythmic Apex accounts. I have Elite Trader accounts. I have my funded futures, and I have just a regular TapStep account. So I execute this obviously not on TapStepX. No, I guess lots of people already talk about TGIT, so maybe even ICT talk about this. I just don't know. No, just adjusted indicator for this. I did not invent anything in this market at all. Yes, I do still consider this level, but we already reached this level. See this? My alert already. Oh, where's my alert? It was today. How can I sort it? Oh, right here, see? I got all the alerts. Yeah, I still consider this level. How can I remove all inactive? Perfect. Yeah. Nice. Why it still says 31? I guess that's... That's strange. Okay. I guess I warned the very first person who started talking about TGIT. Maybe I said, as I said, maybe I should even explain this. So, all I want to say, I did not invent anything in this market. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh, by the way, let me change. Here we go. Well, exactly right, Dave. Exactly right. You cannot find this indicator. Here we go. Once again, I'm going to post the link. I guess that's not public because I just created this indicator, I guess, last week. Why I don't trade before market open? It's a good question because I don't have answer on this. Just don't know. I feel like not comfortable to execute before market open. I feel like I don't understand market before market open. But not going to like best setups, usually before market open. And when I see this, especially on NQ, that's funny, by the way. Also same, exactly same problem with when we have bank holiday. I see like absolutely textbook setups before market open, but once again, best setups usually happens before market open. And I'm like, it cannot be so easy. It cannot be so easy. Something wrong with this. You know, when you trade CL, it's kind of straightforward. So it's like, okay, here's, for example, change in the state of delivery. It's easy long from here or short. Nothing wrong with this. But on NQ, you're like, change in the state of delivery right here. I mean, yeah, obvious long, but maybe it wants to be manipulation or something like this. You know, lots of questions with NQ. Just funny to see. Weekly profile, maybe it's going to be Wednesday reversal profile. Hard to say. Still pretty much bullish on higher frame, extremely bullish. Cannot say it's going to be Thursday profile, Thursday reversal profile at this moment. But yeah. The reason why I don't trade before market open, I guess, a reason is that I cannot trust this. I mean, yes, it's super like obvious textbook setup, but I'm like, I used to, you know, try to find something like, they want to play games right here, probably. Okay, I need to understand what games they want to play right here. So that's in queue. If you want to have more stress in your life, just trade in queue. By the way, when I only started trading futures, I traded ES. I traded ES for more than, I guess, almost 2 years. It was absolutely amazing, but I guess it wasn't last year, or maybe it was last year. I don't remember. I noticed like, it was summer, it was beginning of summer, and ES was like barcode chart. I was like, no way I can trade this. Then I switched on NQ. I traded NQ like from, I don't remember, from last year or 2 years. I don't remember. Last year. It doesn't matter. Okay, then I want to switch back on ES, and it's so slow for me right now. It's like 5 points for, and I need to wait for like 20 minutes sometimes. So. Midpoint, yes. Midpoint of previous week range is right here. We stuck right on both ES and NQ. Yes, exactly. So 50 points on NQ can be moved like for a couple of seconds. Okay, market is open. Let's focus. So far, just trying to give us reaction from equilibrium of previous range. We got formation of inversion fair value gap right here. Absolutely nothing here yet. We did not get change in the state of delivery. Also, but I would like to see the test of previous day high level as potential RTH retest. So basically, we already swept this level before market open. So maybe it wants to try to give us retest right here and right here, or it's going to continue going slightly lower to take TGIT levels. And then we can look for potential reversal. But I like this reaction from equilibrium of previous week range so far. Let's see if we can retest previous day high level right here on both ES and NQ. Yeah, let's see. Both failed so far. Anyway, I'm still bullish. Still, we don't have any change in the state of delivery because we don't have any closure yet. Oops. We don't have any closure yet right here. It's just sweep, nothing more. Trying to give us reaction from this OB. Okay. Same on ES. Because my plan is to look for previous day high retest or this retest and then take Friday high possibly. I'm not in trade, so absolutely nothing yet. Okay, we got another SMT right here. Would like to see previous day high taken. Your long reason. This you mean this box? In box is TGIT box. It's 20-30% retracement, 20-30% range of current weekly range. Let's see if you can take previous day high level. At this moment, that's all I need, or preferably, of course, to run these pin packs. Let's see. All I want to see is just retracement first. It's so hard for me to long, right, at the market open when we got absolutely strong uptrend before this. You short from 59.65. I little bit late entry in my opinion, but I recommend to consider partial previous day high level if it's possible. Do I have this box for? Okay, yeah. I'm not on trade, so I'm just watching right now. Moving to this pink box, 20-30%. Solid reaction from equilibrium of previous week range, honestly, with SMT. Okay, NQ offer TGIT. Okay, ES offer TGIT. It's about to test 25%. So let's forward test. Let's see how we react from 50%. Okay, 25% tested right here of this box. Actually, 25% of weekly range. This is 30%. And 25% is about to be taken on ES as well. This box is TGIT box. If you want to have this indicator, that's exactly the same idea as TGIF, but it's usually you will see that we don't have TGIF if we have TGIT. Nice move down. This SMT right here between ES and NQ. A bit more than I expected. Already, because below this box. But once again, still nice. Looks like it's trying to move us to New York Midnight Open, but I'm not going to say this with like 100% confidence. All I needed is this pink box. We already slightly lower than this box. Grab this low. Yeah, looks like it wants to reach New York Midnight Open. Previous day high taken on both ES and NQ. We got RTH test. We got 20-30% retracement. Let's see. That's interesting. Solid move down. He was looking for this and it moved. Yes, it moved too fast. And actually, I'm trying to find where I could enter, but I cannot actually find something. Even on 15-second chart, once we got displacement, we never retraced to fair value gap. Yeah, it was kind of fast in my opinion. It could be, for example, turtle soup, but it was extremely risky. Yeah, it was hard. Yeah, 200 points for five. How many minutes? Like 6 minutes. Come on. You know, it was kind of expected. I mean, I expect to get moved down, but I did not expect to get this move down happened for less than 4 minutes. It was interesting. Well, let's see how we reach New York with that open and react from this level. Absolutely nothing taken, so it was kind of fast. But no FOMO. No FOMO, guys. That's interesting. Well, funny. Where it's going, I don't know. I want to see only this pink box. It's already too low for me. Where it's going to? Like, yeah, lower. We can see this. It's dropping. No, I'm not in trade. I did not take any trade. It was kind of fast for me. I even checked 15-second chart. I guess only opportunity was start also because we got SMT. Yeah, crazy. Well, I'm not going to be in rush. It doesn't want to stop. Look at this 2-minute chart. Like, we got 4 candles in a row with this down close candles. Oh my god. Both tested reaction from equilibrium of previous week range all the way down to equilibrium of previous range. Yeah. Crazy. No reason to even say like I would like to see like no, maybe it's going to reverse it, and if it wants to reverse and once again to take this high, it's going to be even more funny than this drop. Well. See what happened right here. We got lots of Taylor swings right here, but we moved from 4 a.m. all the way up to this 9 a.m. So actually 5 hours move was cleared for 10 minutes. What? I mean, that's funny. Well, I'm not going to be in rush, just crazy. All I want to know, how many contracts do I need to trade with this drop? Obviously not 10 contracts. We'll start with 8 micros. I'm not ready to trade more than 8 micros right now. Inside OT zone, yeah, I saw that. I have this zone marked on my another screen. But that's crazy. That's crazy. Then micros, pretty, that's pretty huge drop. You just drop like 300 points. Then micros is going to be like huge stop loss. It's like 40 point stop loss, not worth it. Well, let's see how low we can go. London low? Retest of new week opening gap once again? Or even previous day low taken? Lots of questions. For our candle. Oh, look at this week. That's crazy. But that's crazy drop. Just interesting. Okay, kind of stuck at the equilibrium of previous range New York midnight open. I could expect this drop, but this drop is crazy. Even just trying to look at this 1 minute chart, it's like no way to enter for me. Where could I enter? No way. Even on 1 minute chart. Just once again, maybe it was turtle soup from here with confirmed SMT. That's pretty much it. Funny. Google down 4%. Oh, okay. What time is it in Russia? I'm not in Russia right now. So trying to give us a reaction from New York midnight open. See how in yes trying to hold this. We got sweep. Barely close below this level. Not ready to try this closure yet. Just trying to look at this 1 hour chart right now. Maybe it wants to take London low and reverse. But once again, I'm not ready to short above New York midnight open. I guess we can try to see if 15-minute candle can close below New York midnight open with retracement back up to 2-minute fair value gap and short from 2-minute fair value gap. I guess I can try this if it wants to present this opportunity, but right now, not really. Also would like to, what we have on 5-minute chart. We entered 5-minute fair value gap. Would like to highlight this 2-minute one. Okay, trying to hold strong this New York midnight open. You expect to get long or short with next 4-hour candle. Totally depends how we close on this candle. How this closure is going to look like. It's going to be a small body, for example, or it's going to be huge wick. We don't know yet. We still have time. If we drop for 10 minutes, 300 points, we can actually bounce 300 points for 10 minutes. We don't know. Depends on the closure. On stat map indicator, we retrace from daily manipulation level back to, we retrace from daily bearish manipulation to bullish manipulation level. Also, if you want to look closely, we have 15-minute breaker block right here. By the way, lines up with this low. Let's call this 15-minute breaker block. Let's see how we react from this breaker block, because distribution lines up with a new week opening gap. Daily distribution on stat map lines up with a new week opening gap. So yeah, I want to keep my eyes. Another possible short opportunity will be once again below New York midnight open. If 15-minute candle can close below this level with retracement back to 2-minute bearish fair value gap, short. Or let's see how we react from this. From this breaker. I guess I can remove this. It's so cold. As long as we above New York midnight open, it's kind of hard for me to be like 100% bearish. But reaction from this breaker block can be possible. First signal for me that we may break below New York midnight open. So we got 1 minute bullish inversion fair value gap. Why it's so cold, guys? Let me close the window. Because it's so cold. Take the weather in Florida right now. Thought reaction from New York midnight open on both yes and NQ. These inversions that I was talking about. We still have 10 minutes for 10 a.m. and we already got retracement, solid retracement up. I would say 50%, yeah, 50% retraced. Where our candle still has huge wick down, huge wick up right here, but still. Okay. This blue box is breaker block, and 15-minute chart, exactly. No trades yet. Kind of scared to take any trades, honestly, after this huge drop. That's breaker block. This blue box is breaker block, yeah. All I want to do, I don't want to short. That's all I want. I know right now. Let's measure how far we dropped from this level. It was about to take this worst standard deviation. Okay, if I want to measure from here to here, we run this worst standard deviation. Well, the test of these buy stops. It's all buy stops, by the way. You can remove them. Maybe we'll try to trade 5 mic. Not right now. Just want to adjust. Not going to trade 8 micros. Kind of scared, to be honest. Huge stop loss in any way. We'll stay with 5 micros, I guess. Seven minutes left. Let's see if we can close inside or above bullish fair value gap on 1 hour chart. Yeah, see? Especially if you want to look on 5-minute chart, just swap this level on ES. We did not get even like a strong closure below this level. Oh my god. That's funny. Honestly, I'm interested in shorts. My interest in short only below New York midnight open. Kind of not ready to short right now, but still feel like we can go lower. But I guess I'm ready to try shorts below New York midnight open. Probably. You know where is the problem? Actually, the drop that I expected to get already happened. So I did not expect to get this like too fast, but we got this too fast. Just we'll try to stay away from shorts above New York midnight open, especially after I can see like he has just swept this level, doesn't want to close below. Lots of questions. But if he can break below New York midnight open, actually we can look for potential opportunity to short lower. Okay, how many points difference between New York midnight? Below New York midnight open, we can actually get short setup for like at least 80 points. But below New York midnight open, above this level, I'm not going to short. That's all I know. Especially after I can see once again, yes, just swept this level. Kind of. There are some questions. Hello. Because my plan, actually, if I want to short, I would like to see closure below New York midnight open on 15-minute chart, retracement to 2-minute fair value gap, then continuation lower. Then I will try to take it. Equal loss on 15-minute chart. Just can you give me the price? It's London low? Well, okay, thank you. All I know, I'm going to wait for break below New York midnight open to consider potential trade. We'll try to take it below New York midnight open. Let's see. Okay, guys, let's focus right now. We already broke below New York midnight open. Just retracement back up to 2-minute fair value gaps and London low taken. Possibly. That's the action from breaker block on 15-minute chart. It's 9. We still has less than 2 minutes until 10 a.m. This means we can see where 15-minute candle can close. I'm not on trade right now, absolutely nothing. Also, if not mistaken, we have news at 10. It's not going to be significant news, but still, that's orange folder news, right? Let's see if we can get short to London low. Nine minutes. No, it's 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Let's see where 15-minute candle can close. London will be my first point of interest once we can close below New York midnight open. Let's focus. No, maybe. Come on. Why can I choose this? This. New York PM low. I did not take this short. Reason because we got the closure below New York midnight open, but failed to retrace the 2-minute fair value gap. I wanted to short from 2-minute fair value gap. Okay. Nice move down. Let's see if London low can be taken, then possibly this liquidity level. Wanted to take trades based on 2-minute chart. Okay, drop without me. Not really disappointed. My plan was a retracement to 2-minute fair value gaps and lower. SMT. I'm not on trade, so did not take this trade. Once again, wanted to see the actual same move down, but from this 2-minute fair value gap. Well, now I'm just waiting for taking London low. No reason to chase something right now. Okay, I'm going to give it a time. Just need to take London low. Yeah. Like this. Okay. Hello, hello. Okay, London low taken. Yes, still above this level. Yes, as you can see, trying to hold New York midnight open, so nothing significant happened yet. But we got to we got strong closure below New York midnight open on NQ. But interesting why yes, trying to hold New York midnight open. Feel like we need to go lower on yes as well. I feel like yes will go lower, so obviously NQ will go lower as well. We have this PM sell side liquidity from yesterday and possibly previous day low level. I can remove this. I don't need this. Pretty strong yes right now. Why doesn't want to move from New York midnight open? That's strange. Trying to give us the action from London low, but once again, nothing to say it's going to be reversal yet. Also, we trace back to 50% of 4-hour inversion for a value gap. In the 5-minute chart, it created another 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Also, we got 5-minute order block right here. So let's see how we react to this level. Test of this OB. I'm not in trade, so just in case. Let's see. Okay, we traced this 5-minute bearish OB and 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Now the question if it wants to be twins or continuation higher. Let's see. We will see. We have small 1-minute bullish inversion. Also reaction from 4-hour bullish inversion so far. No trades today taken, so nothing yet. Wants to consider short to London low from this 2-minute fair value gap, but never traced to this fair value gap. And after they took this London low, that's it. That only was my plan. So the plan right now, if it wants to be, for example, continuation lower to take previous day low level, and if it wants to be twin setup, I guess I will wait for move to this box, and if it may offer 1-minute OB, so you guys, I'm left-handed person, I will try to short from this OB. Maybe something like this. So I don't know yet. So once again, it depends on if it wants to create twin setup right here. Yes or not. We don't know. We will see. Because this area can be, I guess, last chance for continuation lower. Not going to be in a rush. Because now if it fails to offer 1-minute order block, it's not going to be most likely continuation lower. Team. Exactly. If it wants to be a breakaway gap, it will go higher. It's going to be first confirmation of market maker by model. I'm not in trade, so I'm just trying to be focused. Because right now we're trying to react from this OT, but it's not twins yet. The problem on ES trying to hold this New York midnight open, and as long as we above this level, it's trying to be bullish. Anyway, let's see if it wants to be twins or not. We'll try to deduct from what market's trying to give me in real time. We don't have change in the state of delivery right here yet. This means we don't have any signs of twin setup yet. If no twins, then no shorts. I like this 15-minute liquidity sweep of this London low. If it wants to be SMT, then you write about this for continuation higher, but it's not going to be perfect market maker buy model in my opinion. At this moment, it doesn't look like perfect market maker buy model at this specific moment. But the question, if it wants to be, for example, fake change in the state of delivery, then it can be first stage. But I cannot see solid reaction from this level yet. Ideally, twin setup. Because if it may offer twin setup, it can offer something like this, I believe. Oh, huge stop loss. I guess no way to even reduce the stop loss. It's going to be huge anyway. Oh my god, how many contracts I need to trade at this point? 3? Huge ranges right here. That's huge stop loss. Anyway. I cannot afford to trade 10 micros. So. Okay, it offered twin setup, I guess. But no, that's huge stop loss. I cannot afford to trade. It's 60-point stop loss. It's just like two micros to trade. Oh my god. No. It's huge stop loss. I simply cannot afford to take even like 5 micros. Painful. Painful. Ridiculous. It wins it up, definitely for short. But it's 60-point stop loss. Lumi, did you block me? What do you mean? I never block people for nothing. Yeah. Looks like it's going to be a perfect win setup. Stop loss could be like 60 points. That's huge stop loss. I cannot afford this stop loss, so. And with this closure right here, my entry must be here, which is also not perfect because stop loss must be right here, at least it's above 79%. Even with one micro, it looks stupid, in my opinion. Well, it's okay. Let's try to forward test how this twin setup is going to play. Just annoying. Because that's huge ranges. Yes, back to New York with net open. Let's see how we react again from this level. Nice sell-off. It's not super annoying, just once again, huge stop for me. We could reduce this stop loss, for example, we got the closure right here, with just the tracement right here, it could be even like less stop loss, but I cannot like enter right here because it was huge down close candle. But win setup is playing out right now. That's not fair in Q. That's not fair. What about like stop loss for 20 points at least? Okay, maybe 30 points, but not 60 points. 60 points, come on. That's kind of a lot. Nice drop. Could be in this trade, but once again, it's against my risk management at this point. But nice twin setup. Nice twin setup, definitely. Well, well. Too close to London low right here. About the test, new week opening gap. We have previous day low right here. London low taken. Not taken, by the way. It was 2 points away. No way, come on. Which indicator? Yeah, this indicator for TGIT. It's already played out. This indicator if you want to have this. Here's the link. Anyway, it was absolutely amazing. Twins model right here. Amazing. Okay, how I use TGIT? I use TGIT indicator exactly the same way as we use TGIF, but if you notice most likely that often we cannot see TGIF on Friday, but we can see if, for example, on Thursday, not for example, most of the time we reach weekly objective on Thursday, and we anticipate to get a retracement back to 20-30% of current weekly range. So my level right here was, it was equilibrium of previous week range, and we got retracement back to 20% right here. And all I expected to get with this drop today is just maybe this pink box, you know, not lower, but it dropped lower. By the way, let me see. It's this first and I deleted already this level. Let me see. Sorry guys for lots of drawings. Oh, it's still okay. I just feel like we can still drop lower. It's too early to give up. Too early to give up. Because I feel like we made a chase maybe higher, but I would like to see maybe continuation lower. Yeah, I feel like this. Previous week low level is Friday low, so yeah, somewhere right here. It works for me. Just in my opinion, move down is not done yet. Yeah, I guess we can still get potential short opportunity. Trying to react from 5-minute fair value gap so far. Yes, I guess we still can get another short opportunity. Just need to see maybe a little bit bigger retracement. Maybe it's want to break above this high first. It's already played out, so I can delete this. Still inside bearish 5-minute fair value gap. We got 15-minute immediate rebalance. And we still have 20 minutes until 11 a.m. Five-minute fair value gap. On 1-minute chart, it's inside bearish zone right here. So it's trying to sell inside this box based on 15-minute sweep right here. So we got order block right here. Let's see how we can hold this OB. Because break above this level means we can go right here to this buy side liquidity. So I would like to consider this OB right now. If we can hold this, I guess I can try to short. But right now, like, we are not in a rush, so we will see. Trying to hold this OB so far. I'm not in yet. Entered fair value gap on 1-minute chart. Institutional order flow interview right here. So let's see. I'm not in yet. Not on trade. We'll react. We will see how it's going to react from this fair value gap right here. Small 1 minute fair value gap inside bearish zone, and we have OB right here. I still feel like we need to take previous day low level. Yes, I failed to take London low, pretty close to this level. Yeah. Needs to drop lower. Just going to wait because I feel like we can get another short opportunity. Especially we got 15 minute, not 15, 5 minute bearish inversion fair value gap. We got 1 hour inversion fair value gap. Needs to go slightly lower still. Even if you want to use stat map chart, we have daily distribution level right below weekly open, which can be previous day low level. Yeah, come on, we need to take it. We need to take it. 15 minute once again offered immediate rebalance. Just I'm not going to chase. I need to get solid retracement, I guess, first. Mean versus fair value gap. A test of London low, but once again, I would like to see bigger retracement up, maybe above this buy side liquidity to short after this. I don't want to short, it's kind of too low for me to short lower. Since we got 1 minute inversion right here, we did not get market structure yet. I mean, nothing wrong with straight move higher, I guess. Oh. It's like 130 points possible retracement that I would like to see. It's not order block yet, so let's see if we can close above this level. Come on. Just need to see solid retracement up first. At least back to premium of this leg. Then drop to previous day low level. Maybe even this Friday low retest. I don't mind to see this. Also, we got propulsion block right here. The test of order block right now. Even if it's just funny, guys. Even if I want to, for example, to see this long, look at this stop loss. That's ridiculous. That's crazy. Because if, for example, it could be like at least 20 point stop, I could take it. But not 60 points. Okay, not trades yet. Just still, I would like to see slightly higher for this retracement. But with stop loss. Where is stop loss? Like this. Still 50 points. Are you serious? That's funny. I can reduce contract size, but it's still not even 2-hour trade. This is a problem, actually. I'm not in trade. Right now, we're trying to detest 5-minute inversion fair value gap. BPR, so no reaction yet. Let's see. I'm not in trade. No. Yes, still did not take this London low. So you're scared when I'm focused. Yeah. I'm not going to chase. That's all I know. I'm not going to short right now because I feel like it's going to be chasing right now. Pins play out. So this retracement can take this buy side liquidity easily. For example, we can leave this drop. For example, it can look like this, in my opinion. So something like this. Maybe even slightly higher. Because right now with at OT zone right here, near 62%. I mean, yeah, I expect to get this buy side liquidity taken first. We already got huge drop, so obviously would like to see the retracement. But once again, I'm not going to chase. If it doesn't want to, for example, to chase higher first and then drop, I'm not going to take any trades. But I don't mind to, for example, to long trade per scalp. Because only this makes sense in my opinion. We got a small breakaway gap right here, so we got this. Let me delete this. We got this blue line, this OB propulsion block. Nothing wrong with this. Just my concern is stop loss and not perfect risk reward at this point. I guess it's not worth of my stress right here. First point of interest tested right here. Nice, amazing. Let's see if we can take this buy side liquidity next. Only 2 key levels that I was watching. Once again, if it could be like 20 point stop loss, nothing wrong with this. Because it's not even 2-hour trade. But see, it's like 80 points move up, but it doesn't look like 80 points move up. I would say, okay, maybe 20 points, maybe 30 points, but it's 80 points move up. Well, yes, I was about to retest previous day high again. Too close to the equilibrium of previous week range, so that's actually interesting because yes, already retrace back up to 50% of this range, but we're still in discount of this range on NQ. What can happen at this point? I guess NQ will try to reach premium level, and for this, not sure yet. So I think it can go right here, and at this point, ES may try to break this high, but not interested in NQ above AM session high. Feels like it can be something like this. I'm not just interested in shorts. I feel like we need to go slightly higher. This buy side liquidity is like at least or even higher, maybe to this buy side liquidity. Okay, let's see. I'm looking for these buy stops and possibly these buy stops right now. No, it's, it's still huge stop loss. Okay, I guess we need to take this buy side liquidity right now. Looking for potential move. Kind of, let me reduce size, so for micros maybe. Let's see, maybe it can play out. Let's see, maybe we'll try to take it. If we can hold this OB, maybe we'll try to take it. If not, then I will not try to take it. Let's see. I'm not in trade yet. I hope you trade demo. Why we need to trade demo? Can you explain? Let's see if we can retrace to this older block. Take it. Retrace, so let's see. I'm not on trade yet. Not on trade yet. I like this reaction. It's like 16 point stop loss. It's very tight stop loss, so yeah, that's why I'm looking for the action. Otherwise, no reason. Let's see how we can close above this candle. Then I can actually try this. Closed inside previous candle range. Oh my god, we closed inside previous candle range. Annoying. That's annoying. Not in yet. Let's see if we can close above this candle once again. I will try this. But nothing yet. Yes, that's very tight stop loss. That's why I'm not going to enter immediately. I like this reaction, so maybe I will try to just use market order. No reason for limit order. Not in yet. Still close inside previous candle range, this one. Can you give me setup, please? Because that's very tight stop loss. I'm not going to enter immediately. Oops. Oops. If you can close above this candle, this down close candle, I can try this to aim for this high. Okay, let's see. I like this momentum, so let's see how we can play out from this level right here. $11 seconds left. Maybe I can let's see. Two seconds left. Can we close above? Did we close above? Did we close above? Actually, yes, we closed above. Where's my... Let me do this. Let me try to draw this. Closed, barely closed above this level. Not perfect. Not what I want to see. Okay. But we closed. We got immediate retest. So I'm just trying to focus because I'm about to take the trade. So let's see if we can get reaction right now. How many points right here? Let me measure. Where is my tool right here? It's like... It can be like 15 points for stop loss. Let's see. So I'm not in trade yet. I'm just about to take this if we can get right now the action. I don't like this wick right here. Let me move. I don't like this wick right here. I don't like how we barely closed inside this candle range. So that's why I'm like, don't really want to take it. But if you can get momentum right now, I can use this as my entry. But right now, not really. Not really. It's like 70 points away from this liquidity level, and we closed like four points above this candle open. I'm not in this trade. I'm kind of not confident yet. All I like about this trade is stop loss. That's it. But not comfortable to take this trade yet. We'll try to stay away for now. Unless it can give us the action right now and then continuation higher. But right now, not really interested in this trade. Yeah, nothing yet. Not on trade. You're trying to short? Okay. I'm not going to long. I'm not going to short right now. Nothing yet. Nothing I like. Yeah, so it broke this. It's about to break this low. Yeah, I'm going to possibly invalidate it. We barely closed above this candle right here. I didn't like it. Barely closed above this. Not for me. Let me see. It's about to offer bullish stop right here. And bullish setup right here. But still, we don't need to blindly long. Do not run this level yet. Yes, kind of in premium right now. I like this bullish candle right here, pretty much bullish candle. I did not take any trades today yet. So nothing yet, as you can see. So I did not take any trades yet. Wants to consider potential long, but once again, I want to see a strong closure above this done close candle. We never got strong closure yet. I did not take any trades at all. I just show I don't have any executions. Yeah, I did not take any trades yet. So, as you can see, my execution's on right here. I did not take any trades yet. Absolutely nothing from market open. Inside this hourly fair value gap right now. It did not offer change in the state of delivery yet. Here's 15-minute candles. We closed below this high of this candle. But this bullish setup right here, maybe inversion can be an entry for us. Because I still would like to see slightly higher. This inversion, I mean. It offered inversion. Yeah. Well, inversion, we don't have change in the state of delivery in 1 minute chart yet. What we do have is this inversion. Because based on 4-hour candle, it's still tricky. It made it trace to 50% of bearish 4-hour wicks, up wick on 4-hour candle. And on daily, pretty much heavy price action. Because look at daily candle. Let's see. So I would like to see slightly higher to this buy side liquidity. So that's pretty much it. That's my plan. The question how we respect this inversion. Just I'm not going to chase. That's all I know. It's not perfect setup right here. But in terms of market structure, what I can see is this sweep, retracement down to take the sell side liquidity. By the way, we took this liquidity level. Yes, we took this liquidity level. After this, we retraced and created this OB. I would like to see an attempt to make this maybe new high. But once again, I'm not going to chase because I anticipate to see something. No, thank you. Yeah, so far just don't really like anything here. And I don't want to chase. It's like 11 a.m. already. Okay, it failed to create a new high right here. Instead, it created another wallet high right here. Kind of stuck on this consolidation, so let's see. Yes, of course, I'm going to put in an indicator. I'm going to even tell you that I'm going to short or long, and I'm going to let you know when I'm going to short or long. But right now, I don't want to long or short. We already got SMT between ES and NQ. ES right now in premium, NQ still inside discount, so kind of don't like it. Invalidated bullish structure right here to this for this break of structure. Not invalidated this OB, but I don't like how it failed with this valid valid low formation to make a new high. But still trying to hold inversion, so I'm going to extend this. Still trying to hold this level. But it's 11 a.m., so usually I don't want to take any trades after 11. Oh, that's 1 minute chart as well. Well, let's take a look on 2 minute chart. We also have inversion right here. Overall, we still can go lower, but I wanted to see maybe an attempt to move us lower from premium. And Q kind of in discount right now. Didn't mind to see a move above this level. So this buy side liquidity. Especially like 100 points away from this level. Let's see. Created another OB right here. Pretty much consolidation, so I'm not going to trust 1 minute chart, but let's see how we react on 2 minute chart. This will be 1 minute inversion. This will be. We have two structure. I have 1 minute inversion. I can see this on 1 minute chart. I can see this 2 minute OB right here, but it's inside consolidation. So I'm not interested in trades honestly, but if it wants to, because I have two confirmation right now, if it wants to hold, just for scalp maybe. What's the price for this? It's 786.75. We did not retrace to this level, but we created 1 minute inversion and we're trying to respect this level. It's my camera is decided to, oh my god, it's too hot. It says internal temperature is too high right now. You cannot see my camera, right? No, because my camera said it's too, internal temperature is too high. What about now? Nope. Should work. We run this new high after it created OB. We got another break of structure. Right here, we make a new high. We make a new high right here. So let's see. Also would like to highlight this rejection block. Because ejection block also is a part of liquidity level. Based on stat map, we retrace back to daily open just now. And retrace back to the 15-minute breaker block. So still would like to see an attempt to take this buy side liquidity. So we'll see. I can check actually right here. All I like about this move, we got 5-minute, we got 1 hour sweep right here. We got 5-minute confirmation with 5-minute order block right here and inversion right here. Kind of looks nice. We end the rejection block. Keep in mind, rejection block is also liquidity level of this actual buy side liquidity level. Right to 50% of this rejection block so far. Let's see. Preferably take this buy stops. It's not significant stop loss. It's like conservative level. And then I like this buy stops also because it lines up with bottom of 15-minute fair value gap. At least, at least to enter this 15-minute fair value gap preferably. It doesn't look bad. Not this one. Now the question, if we already entered a 15-minute budget for value gap, but the question if it wants to retest, yeah, if it wants to retest previous day high level. That's the question. No, as possible, but I would like to see this because as we discussed before, ES might take this high. Not interested in this high on NQ, but I would like to see an attempt to make a new high on ES. Why? Because I would like to see deep premium on NQ. And this deep premium on NQ might deliver us, for example, to previous day high. Once again. Maybe right here. Not maybe, ideally right here. Because this level ends up with deep premium level. And I would like to see at this point move above AM session buy side liquidity on ES. Yes, too close to this liquidity level. We are like 7 points away. That's why I like to use this confirmation, because actually once we can get on 5-minute chart this fractal model indicator, fractal model confirmation for bullish move up, we can switch on 1-minute chart and try to find 1-minute inversion. So actually that's a trade was based on 1-minute inversion. Also, I like this one standard deviation because this lines up also with previous day high level. So let's see if we can push previous day high level. What about 15-minute chart? Inversion slightly lower. On 15-minute chart, I don't have any levels, honestly, to previous day high level, but just simply looking at this 5-minute chart, I like this one standard deviation. Since pretty huge manipulation lag, at least, you know, they move right here, from here to here, if we want to project this. What's the price? Yeah, it's like 840, 840. What's previous day high level? 42, so it's like 2 points difference. Once again, I was looking for conservative target, and conservative target was this buy side liquidity because lines up with bottom of 15-minute fair value gap. It's just like, it's just for fun. Also, what else I can see right here? Let me compare ES right now. On ES, absolutely amazing reaction from equilibrium of previous week range. Still would like to see slightly higher. As I said, just looking. I'm sorry, guys. Just looking at this fractal model right here. Let me switch on 1 minute chart. I saw this confirmation. Basically, we got that's not 15 minute, 1 hour sweep right here, right? And I was looking for a possible move up from this hourly sweep. We got confirmation right here. Guys, I did not read the chat, so what did you ask? I'm not on trade. I said I'm going to let you know if I want to trade something, okay? Okay, let me back. So we got 5 minute confirmation right here that we got sweep. We got the closure inside previous candle. So it moved us higher, where to the nearest buy side liquidity level, which was right here. So that's why I was like, we need to take these buy stops, and this is like for fun. Solid reaction from this equilibrium of previous week range. And as we can see, yeah, we're on this liquidity level. Preferable, of course, to see previous day high level, because like, you know, another RTH test of this level, because we already run. Did we close, by the way, above? Okay, we did not really close above this buy side liquidity level. Well, it's more like sweep. But we got break of structure, retracement back down to this OB right here. Means we got retracement back down to discount. No, I did not take any trades. Only good setup, in my opinion, was this sell off from here. But once again, unfortunately, we did not retrace to this OB. Did not take this. That's all I was need. Or we got the closure below the 2-minute chart. We got the closure below New York midnight open. I was looking for retracement to this 2-minute fair value gap and then short to London low. Unfortunately, also did not retest. This means no trades. Here it was twins model. Here was idea that I explained in my intraday bias video. So closure below New York midnight open on 15-minute chart, and then retrace on the 2-minute fair value gap to short. Camera gun, because sorry guys, it says it's too hot for this for camera today. Let me try again. But actually, I guess we can be done. So I will try to wait for PM setup. Should work right now, guys. I'm not in trade, so it's too late for me. I prefer to not trade after 11. They were looking for this trade first, only this trade, and that's it. That's previous day high level just for fun, for running right here. This was original idea. That's it. Yeah, I guess I can be done for today. So unfortunately, my setup actually pay out, but without me, because we never got retracement. It was hard for me to engage right here with huge stop loss, like psychological issue. So we'll try to trade PM session, and I hope to get something. If not, then we always have tomorrow. Right? Okay, guys, I wish you perfect the rest of the day. Yeah, we're pretty much done for today. I will see you tomorrow. No trades taken. Once again, no trades taken. Did I take any trades? No, I did not. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. And at 9:15 a.m. So no reason to look for setup, I guess, right now. It's too late for me. Yeah. So guys, see you. Bye bye.